G'day legends! In today's Grow Along, we're kicking things off with an Indian black jamun. Rich, glossy, and full of promise. Righto the outer flesh? Gone. Had a cheeky taste, tangy as bush plum on a hot day. And there they are, two seeds staring back at ya. We're choosing the healthiest looking seed, popping it straight into the soil. Firm press, like tucking it into bed for a long nap. A generous splash of water. None of that light sprinkle business. Nah, we're flooding the soil like it's the rainy season in Darwin. Now the real show begins. Day after day, the soil shifts, breathes, and on day 10, there she is. A fresh sapling, stretching out to meet the sun. That little one standing proud. A jamun tree in the making. That's all from us. Quick angle switch, just so you see it proper. Till next time, keep planting, keep smiling, and let nature do the magic.